Welcome. This quick guide will walk you through our secure Client Center portal.
We built this platform to make your loan application as simple and streamlined as possible.
We know pulling together everything for a loan can feel like a total maze.
That's why this tool gathers everything we need in one secure, easy-to-use place.
Just a quick heads up, for the best experience, you're going to want to use a computer.
Okay, getting started is super simple. It's just 3 secure steps to log in.
Once you're inside, the portal will just guide you through a few key sections. Just do your best to fill these out. It really helps us get a clear picture.
And hey, don't stress the questionnaire. Just put down your initial thoughts for now.
All right, on to the final stage inside the portal, uploading your documents.
Okay, this is a big one. If the document doesn't apply, just upload a blank file.
So, you've submitted everything. What happens now? You can rest easy knowing this is a highly secure platform. Your info is protected.
As soon as we get your file, our team gets right to work finding lenders. And if we're missing anything or just need to clarify, we'll give you a call.
And that's it. Now you can sit back and let our experts take it from here.